Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Thank you. So Tuesday is election day in our country, right? In preparation for election day, we're going to have two presentations today. One for the entire school, where the second graders are going to share with us everything they've learned about the election and how the president gets elected and how our democracy operates. And then after the presentations, we'll dismiss the lower school, the upper school will move up, and we're going to have a debate between, with 6 students, 2 moderators, 2 students representing the Democratic platform, and 2 students representing the Republican platform. Okay? Let's start first with the Pledge of Allegiance. Jack and Ariana will lead us. Thank you. You may be seated. Thank you, Jack. Thank you, Ariana. Mr. Rosenthal.
In America, we have a democracy. That means the citizens elect and vote for our president who will lead the country. There are rules for every election. The rules were written in the Constitution, a document that was written to explain how our government works. The Constitution states that a president must be at least 35 years old. The president must be a citizen of the United States. The president must have lived in the United States for at least 14 years. A president can only serve 2 terms. Every 4 years is a presidential election year. People who want to become president begin a political campaign. The Democratic, Republican, and the third parties each nominate one candidate to represent their parties in the election. The candidates each choose a running mate for vice president, and they run as a team. During a campaign, the nominees put ads on TV, give out bumper stickers, and give many speeches trying to convince to vote for them. They also participate in debates where they appear together and answer questions that explain why they would make the best president. Election day is the first Tuesday following the first Monday in the month. Only citizens 18 and over can vote on election day. You need to be registered to vote. It is every citizen's right and responsibility to vote in each election. Citizens from all over the country go to their local polling places to cast a vote. There are 2 types of votes, the popular vote and the electoral college vote. When people vote in presidential elections, they are really just letting the electors from their state know who they think should win.
Each state has electors. The number of electors is equal to the state's representation in Congress.
The number of electoral votes is based on both population and representation in Congress. For example, every state has 2 senators. New York has 27 members in the House of Representatives. That means that in New York we have 29 electoral votes. A state like Montana has a smaller population, therefore has fewer electoral votes. Candidates try to win the states with the most electoral votes. There is a total of 538 electors. There needs to be 270 electoral votes for a candidate to become president.
The popular vote is very important because electors almost always cast their vote for the candidate that you vote for within your state. Make sure if you are 18 and over and registered to vote, go to your polling place on Tuesday and vote.
Wow. Thank you, second graders. It's so important that we educate for citizenship and for democracy, so thank you to their teachers, their second grade teachers and second graders for educating us this morning. Let's give them a big round of applause.